Not to asking you to ensiga the outfit because what you know what is said. Your outfit is you I go ahead. Don't sit talk here about where you go.
It's so the very fresh food. And so the light is the apple. In the fresh into the apple the same. It's so yummy good. It's so the yummy. It's so the apple the juice okay. You see the version so the
Ninya, hiwalay na tayo. Ayoko na sa'yo. Meron na akong iba.
What? What the heck? What? What to do this to me? How to do this to me? Everything is give you. Binigay ko sa iyo lahat. Pati kaluluwa ko binigay ko sa iyo. With all my soul and my body, which gives to you with all my soul. And with all my flesh. Because I love you so much, how much you love you.
Yes, I don't know if this is true or false because nang divorce din.
Divorce.
Yes, divorce.
Divorce.
The truth will set be free. Yun na, lalabas ang katotohanan. Wait lang sir I just
Okay.
explaining first. Listen, look and listen and learn.
Hi, B. I want you to me. I'm here. I'm hang out. You want to hang me? Are you hang? Cause I am hang. Are you loading? Your error. I love you, B. Coming to me now.